welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WordPress site in a few minutes. Why is this important? Backups prevent your site from accidental loss, hacking, or plug-in problems. In case something goes wrong, you can recover your site in seconds instead of starting from scratch. I'll show you how to create a backup in two methods. The first one is via a free WordPress theme, which is easy and beginner friendly. And the second one is manually backing up your database and files, which can be a bit advanced. By the end of this video, you'll be able to save your WordPress site. Let's get started with method one, using a free plugin. We're gonna go to plugins, add new plugin, where we're gonna install and activate the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, we're gonna search the plugin. I've already installed the plugin, so I'm left with activating it. Okay, after installing your plugin, you're gonna go to, or you're gonna see it on your panel, and then you can import or export it, or you see the backups that you've done. So I've already done one backup, but if you haven't backed up anything, you're gonna go to export, and then you're gonna say where you want to export your site to. You can export to file means you're gonna be exporting it to your system, to your computer. And then Dropbox, Google Drive, those are cloud storages. You have to have a pro account for you to be able to store your files there. I've already done backup. This can take a while because it has to back up your files, back up your themes, back up your plugins, everything that your site needs. So you can use this one, which is the free one. And then when you want to import that backup in case of any problems that you had, you can say import from. Same goes for this part. You choose your file, which is where you stored your backup. File is gonna go to your system, where you can choose backup. I'll choose this one, and then same goes, you choose, if you have a pro account of all-in-one migrate, you can go wherever you can choose whatever you want to choose. That's it. Your WordPress site is backed up. To be safe, having your backup on your system is safe. However, you can be safer by adding it to Google Drive after downloading it. If you don't have like a pro account of all-in-one migrate and you just want to back up your thing, you can just add it manually on your G Drive. Okay, the second method is manual backup. This one is for advanced users, but it's easy to do also. For this one, we're going to be going to the back end of WordPress. Okay, for this one, you're gonna go to download your website files. It is kind of the same thing because you have to download your files on your system, but it's just different. There's a possibility that when you have issues with WordPress or plugin issues, WordPress can log you out of the whole system, where you cannot go to the WordPress dashboard, which means you can be able to go to your hosting and log into cPanel. And then from cPanel, you're gonna go to File Manager. Usually when you have issues here, you can delete plugins, delete themes or things like that, or download them so that you can be able to manually fix your site. After you're on File Manager, you're going to go to public HTML, which is where all your files are stored. When you get to your public HTML WP, usually it's just public HTML, where you can be able to see all your files. You can select all your files that you want to back up and then compress them. You can choose if you want to make it a zip folder or the other file storages, and then you can compress files. This is also gonna take a while to export the database. Okay, and this is gonna show you folder compression results, and this is admin zip. This is your zip folder. You can download it to your system, do the same thing, manually back it up to G Drive, or you can keep it on your system if you know your things are not going to be cleared. Another way in which you can do it, inside cPanel also, you can go to WordPress management, and then from here there is backup and restore, and you can also find File Manager in the same place. Backup and restore, backup your site, and it shows you where your backups are going to be, and you're going to do the same where same thing when you're restoring it, gonna go to website management, and then there's gonna be restore because you already have a database. But if you don't have it, there's only gonna be backup. And that's it. Now you have your website protected with backups that you can do yourself. There are other plugins where you can have regular backups, scheduled backups, so that it automatically backups by itself. Usually those are not really beginner friendly, or you need to have a paid version for it to do it by itself. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.